Welcome or welcome back on Cisco. On this video clip, we're going to talk about regular polygons, and we're going to talk about interior and exterior angle of regular polygon. For that reason, I'm going to use Geogebra. And if you remember, if you do not, if it's the first time when you use it, type in your browser geogebra.org, and then you can find the geometry app, and click on it. You should get these two regions. The one on the left, where so far you have basic tools, and the one on the right, where we're gonna do some drawing. And then you can click on more, and you will see a bunch of tools. And I'm gonna need you to pick this one here, which says regular polygons. And the first regular polygon we're gonna draw is gonna be a regular polygon of 3 sides. Yes, a triangle. And this triangle, probably you heard about it. The triangle that has all equal sides and obviously all equal angles is an equilateral triangle. Okay, the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180. Divide this by 3, by how many angles we have, we end up with 60 degree each interior angle. In this regular polygon of 3 sides, the triangle is nothing else than 60 degree. And you see that we can measure the angles using the measure tool on Geogebra, and we end up with the same value. The next regular polygon will be the polygon of 4 sides. If you call this one a square, you are not wrong. The square is the regular polygon of 4 sides. As you remember, the sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360. We have 2 triangles there, each on 180. And if we divide that 360 by 4, why 4? Because we have 4 congruent equal angles, we end up with 90. So yes, every single interior angle of a regular polygon of 4 sides is 90 degree. Another famous regular polygon, Pentagon. This one has 5 sides. If you want to find the measure of the sum of the measure of the interior angles, we can use this formula, n minus 2 times 180. And we end up with 540. And obviously, in order to find one angle, we have to divide 540 by 5, because we have 5 angles, and we get the measure of one angle. So yes, the measure of interior angle of a regular polygon of 5 sides, Pentagon, is 108 degree. And the next one is a regular polygon of 6 sides, Hexagon. Let's find the sum of the measure of the interior angles for this hexagon. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the sum of the interior angles of a hexagon is 720. For finding one angles, we're going to divide 720 by 6, because we have 6 equal angles. And we end up with 120 degrees. Each interior angles of a regular polygon of 6 sides, a hexagon, is 120 degrees. The last polygon in this clip will be a polygon of 8 sides. We call that an octagon. The stop sign, yes, the stop sign is in a form of an octagon. We're going to find the measure of the sum of the measure of the interior angles. the sum of the interior angles of a octagon is 1080. And now we have 8 angles like that. 8 congruent angle, 8 equals angle inside of that octagon, divide by 8, that 1080, and end up 135. Go ahead and find the measure of an interior angle of a polygon of 15 sides and 20 sides. Pause this video clip and I will see you back. If you end up with these two numbers, 156, yeah, that 156 is going to be the measure of an interior angles of a regular polygon of 15 sides, and 162, which is going to be the measure of an interior angles of a polygon of 20 sides, then you did a wonderful job. Pause the video clip and try to think about finding a formula that will allow us to find the measure of interior angles of a polygon of n sides. If you end up with this formula, n minus 2 times 180 over n, then you did a wonderful job. Yes, you can check all these polygons we had in this video clip and see if you get the same measure. And obviously it's going to be a faster method than what we did so far. The last thing I'm going to want you to think about in this video clip is the exterior angle of a polygon, right? Of a regular polygon, in fact. Now, very important. You see, you have an example here, 3 exterior angle for the first regular polygon we mentioned. Those are easy to be found, right? Easy because we have linear pairs there, so each red angle is nothing else than 120. However, remember that the sum of the exterior angle of any polygon is 360. So do we have a shortcut here to find the measure of an exterior angle? Think about the formula, including the number of sides. If you end up with this formula, 360 divided by n, yes, that's the formula we can use for find the measure of an exterior angle of a polygon, regular polygon. Divide 360 by the number of sides and you have an exterior angle. If you enjoyed this video clip, don't forget to click the like button down right and come back on C-Square for more math video clips.